Clicked at Rydges World Square. Step, buttons, and it's almost like a United Lift mod. Yeah, it is a United Lift mod. Definitely gonna get much luck filling this. $1,200 kilograms, 16 persons. Is the door operational? Sounds like it always. It is. Wait, is it? I can't tell. Looks kind of weird though. Yeah, we can't go anywhere else. Let's see if it's full somewhere. Yeah. Right on the shop floor. Going down?
Right.
Going to lobby or lower lobby? That one?
Yes. Thank you.
Very good. Ooh. No? Okay. Only lower lobby, I guess. Oh, the door press is so bad. Oh, okay, going up then. This is lift number 1.
응?